Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, we are second year computer engineering students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. In project based learning, we have done a mini project on Flappy Bird game using
Under
Python.
the guidance of Mr. Azhar Inamdar sir, I am Tanvay Yere. My teammates are Vinayak Yadav, Vaibhav Wankhede, Siddhata Vani and Rahul
The
Vishwakarma.
main objective of our project is to implement on Flappy Bird game using Python. To implement on Python using graphical user interface.
Project requires good knowledge of Python and graphic user interface. This project is written in Python programming language.
Flappy game is developed in Python programming language. It contains basic function and common coding structure to develop Flappy Bird game. This project system used a program and random module. When Python combined with Kinter, it provides a fast and easy way to create graphical user interface applications.
We use Python because it is easy to learn and Python code can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming languages. Python is now one of the most popular and widely used programming language. Benefits: presence of third-party modules, extensive support libraries, user-friendly data structure.
We have studied about Kinter Python library and the implementation of Flappy Bird game using Python.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.